Hello everyone, if you're facing this very annoying issue, we had trouble saving your video, well, try this one trick. So this is a window on which there is this very annoying problem. Let's try in another tab. So I'm going to go ahead and do create, upload videos, select files, and then let's try with this video. I'm going to double click, and then I usually use reuse details, and I think that's, in my situation at least, that's the thing that's causing the problem. So reuse details, as you can see, I'm going to just go ahead and select that because it's the same playlist. So I select reuse details and look at the description. Okay, this is the description that I would like in the previous videos. Now I click reuse. Look, it's not the same, so it didn't work, right? And I think that's the technical problem which is causing the issue when publishing the video. So just try this. I hope it's going to work for you. Just select everything in the description and delete it. If it works for you, make sure to come back, leave a comment, let me know if it works for you, and please like the video. This really helps me. Okay, let's just try. Obviously my channel is monetized, so I'm gonna have to go through all the options, but so monetization on, done, okay, add suitability, inappropriate language, blah blah blah, video elements as usual, save, and then checks, okay, and visibility, I always publish it as private first. So let's publish. Yes, this video is only visible to you. Okay, so it's working. I hope it's going to work for you. Again, if it does, please come back, leave a comment, give me a like. And if you happen to be learning French, or if you know some people learning French, make sure to check out my channel. It's called French Comprehensible Input, and it can definitely help you, or share the channel with someone to thank me for this. All right, I wish you a good day, and see you next time. Bye.